Happy family, home sweet home. Welcome, house apartment, up and down with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with parking garage. Inside subdivision, good community and flood-free location. Yes po, 2 bedrooms, merong bed frame at mga built-in cabinet sa bawat kwarto. Very spacious ng bahay, up and down. Magandang bahay, maayos, simple, presentable. Ang location sa Bacoor City, Cavite. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. At the best din ang location. Yes po, malapit lang po sa highway. May malapit na school and market. Yes guys, at maraming salamat. Nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon. Maipakita ko sa inyo ito, ma-share ko sa inyo itong content natin, house, apartment, up and down with 2 bedrooms sa Bacoor City, Cavite. Fully tiles ang flooring, bago pa yung pintura, spacious, may sariling gate, may parkingan, may laundry area, maayos na kusina at lababo. Yes, house, apartment, up and down with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with parking garage sa Bacoor City, Cavite. At bago magtapos, gusto ko pong magpasalamat. Thank you po.